In this video, I will show you how to do split screen on Google Chrome. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I've currently got Google Chrome open. I'm currently here on google.com. Now to do this, all you need to do is simply hold down the Windows key on your keyboard. And once you've got that hold down, you want to press the left arrow key on your keyboard. Now by doing this, as you can see, it's going to put the screen like this. And to split screen on Google Chrome, the best way to do this is to come up to the top left-hand corner, open up a new tab. Then what you want to do is left click and hold down your mouse button onto the tab and just drag this out just like so. Once you've got this window selected, if you hold down the Windows key and then press the right key on your keyboard, so the right arrow key, it's going to position it so we've got the two windows side by side. So as you can see, we've now got split screen on Google Chrome, so we can flick between the two screens. So that's how to go ahead and do split screen on Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.